I went to Home Depot a few days ago and got some more vegetables, asparagus, garlic, and some indoor plants, like these guys, and more pots. And then I'm gonna repot this guy over here too. In this video, I'm just gonna show you the planting of asparagus and garlic. So first, let's look at the asparagus. You can see some new growth from the asparagus last year. These guys, and then here you can see the sprouts of asparagus. Not sure if we can harvest these guys though. And then there's a few over there as well. I guess they just kind of not germinate. I guess that they just sprout at the later time than other plants. So this is what the asparagus bulb, not really bulb, but asparagus roots looks like. So I'm gonna plant them one on this right side, and I was digging into the soil, and you can see lots of roots, and then this bigger roots down there at the bottom of the hole. I believe that's the root structure of the original asparagus. So I put the asparagus into the hole I digged, and then I'm gonna cover it up with soil. And then on the left side, I was digging another hole, and I found more root system from the original asparagus plants as well. So yeah, it's pretty extensive. And now I'm gonna plant the garlics. Because I don't have enough big plastic pots, I'm gonna repot this succulents and this pot into this two smaller pots because they don't need so much space. And I'm gonna use those two big pots to plant the garlic. So I'm gonna kind of fill it about a little more than halfway up with soil, and then put the garlic into the soil like that, and then top it up with more soil. Pretty easy. And yeah, so I planted two garlic each in one of the big plastic pots, and then two asparagus, one on the right side of this pot, and then the other one on the left side. And then here I'm gonna plant the garlic right here in this kind of small space. And then these are the potatoes I planted last week, I think. And then the carrots with just the top. It's not gonna grow actual carrots. And then the beet seeds I planted last week. It's on this side. So yeah, this is my vegetable pots.